Alright guys, you got Mr. Roberts here again with another drawing. If you saw my airplane drawing, then you know that I was supposed to go to Denver, Colorado for spring break. So I decided to draw some mountains too, because in Denver, Colorado, they have a big mountains called the Rockies. So to start my drawing, I want to put a big line right across my paper from side to side. This is going to let me know what's up in the air and what's on the ground. It's called your horizon line. Now to draw my mountains, I just want like a triangle shape. It's gonna be pretty easy. But I thought I'd make it look pretty cool, so I wanna put a mountain on top of the other one. Okay, we're gonna overlap them a little bit. So I got one triangle shape going up, coming down. Oh wow, my wall is really bumpy and that's giving it a really cool texture. You do not need to have a straight line for this. It almost looks better with a broken line. And then I want to start my next triangle shape, but I'm going to start it behind the first one. Okay, so I'm imagining, actually drawing. And I want them to be about the same size, maybe a little taller or shorter. You could do that. So I got two mountains up there right now. And I want to make a big fancy mountain over here. I'm going to make one with like 2 points on top. I'm going to start down here. I'm going to go up. Triangle shape, I'm going to stop. And then I'm going to start to make another triangle shape right there. Then I'm gonna go all the way down. So you see you have two mountains like that. This looks really cool. Now, in Denver, the mountains have snow on top of them, okay? Because it's almost, cold, especially in the winter, there's tons of snow. So I'm gonna draw some kind of snow up here. I'm just gonna make a little zigzag line that kind of goes around the top of each one of these mountain peaks. Okay, got that, like that. Let's see. We got to get to the mountains, right? We got to drive somewhere to get there. So I'm going to put a dot right here and a dot right here. This is going to be the front of my road, but I want my lines to get smaller and smaller and smaller as you go back towards that mountain. And I'm going to make my road a little twisty and windy. Okay. There's my road driving to the mountains. You can put some lines in the street if you want. What else can we do here? I think from last video we did some birds. I would make them a little bit smaller this time, right? Remember these mountains are huge, so all our birds would be really far away. You could do, maybe there's a nice sunrise coming up right behind the mountains. Like that, boom. You could draw some trees over here if you wanted to. Trees are like triangles that are just kind of, I'm just gonna make kind of a scribbly line, and you could overlap those two just like our other ones. Let's see, let's have another scribbly, zigzaggy line, kind of looks like a triangle. There's our tree. Okay, so here's my Rocky Mountain drawing lesson. All right, have a good one, guys. I miss you. I'll see you soon.